Hello friends, my kitchen lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos, to support your girl. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn your notification button on so you always get notified when I drop new videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make accordion potatoes. Yes, think of anything creative and think of me. So I already peeled and washed my potatoes, and I soaked these potatoes for an hour, yes, in cold water to get rid of the starch in the potato. So I'll be squaring off the ends of the potato, and I'm going to be cutting these potatoes, not too thick, not too thin. So now after cutting this, I'm going to lay my potatoes on my cutting board and then place 2 skewers between the potatoes side by side. So this is going to prevent our knife from cutting all the way through the potatoes. So I'm going to be cutting vertical lines. So the other side, I'm just going to flip it over and then I'll be cutting diagonal lines. So if you want to make accordion potatoes, make sure you're using potatoes that are large. Yes, you want to use large potatoes because small potatoes won't work for this recipe. Okay, so look at that. You can see, wow, looking so beautiful. So I'm just going to repeat the same process with my remaining potatoes. Now I'm going to gently skewer my potatoes with a wooden skewer. So you can decide to be creative with this. You can twist it, you know. Again, I'm going to soak the potato skewers in a bowl of cold water for 30 minutes. So this is going to prevent it from getting brown and also get rid of more starch from the potato. And this will make your potatoes come out very crispy. So right now I'm just going to proceed to make my rub, my butter garlic rub. So I melted my butter, added some salt, cayenne pepper, parsley, thyme, and garlic powder. So I'm just going to mix this together to combine, and I'll be rubbing this generously on my potatoes. So after rubbing this, I'm just going to transfer it to my oven, and I'll bake this in a preheated oven, flipping halfway through for like 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy. And look at what it looks like. Look at the outcome. Like, this tasted really good, and I paired with some peppered sauce. You can pair this with anything you want. It turned out really crispy and it was so delicious. Like, trust me, if you try this recipe, you will not be making your potatoes any other way. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys.